Hey guys, welcome back to the channel today. I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram error. Too many attempts, please try again later. So from here guys, in order for you to fix that, first thing that you will do is simply go to your settings, and from here on, the settings, just scroll down until you see here apps. And here on the apps, just simply try to find the Telegram and just simply tap on it. And from here guys, the first method that you have is simply going to store storage. And from here, just simply tap on Clear Cache and also tap on Manage Storage. And from here to on the three dots at the top, and you should be able to see here Clear Local Database. And from here, tap on Clear. And from there, guys, you should be able to fix the issue. And now for the second method that you have is just simply go ahead and go to a permissions. And from here, make sure everything is allowed. And now the third method that you have is just simply go into Google Play Store, and from here just search for a Telegram. And for the third method that you have is to make sure that you are running the latest version of the Telegram application. And when it have an update, you should be able to update it over here. Instead of open over here, it will show up as update when an update is available. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you.